Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows search not working Windows 11,10 quick fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type services.msc in Windows search bar. Open Windows Search. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is, right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is Open File Explorer, open C drive. Type Ctfmon.exe in search. Right-click Ctfmon.exe, click Show More Options, Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. Right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command startup. Copy shortcut and paste it into Startup folder. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Search and indexing under Run. Fifth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Indexing Options, click Advanced, click Rebuild. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Type PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges, click OK. Copy command from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.